Winter storm watch in effect from Thursday evening into Friday morning. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a winter storm watch for heavy snow mixed with isolated sleet, which is in effect from 9 p.m. Thursday to 10 a.m. Friday. This watch includes the following counties in Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Clarion, Fayette, Forest, Greene, Indiana, Jefferson, Lawrence, Mercer, Venango, Washington and Westmoreland. A fast-moving cold front from Canada is expected to track into the region today. Heavy snow and isolated sleet is likely with this system. Snow accumulations of 3 to 6 inches are possible. The heaviest snow is likely late Thursday night into early Friday morning. Sleet amounts of 1/10 to an inch are possible near the Pennsylvania Turnpike. A winter storm watch means that potentially dangerous winter weather conditions are possible in the next 12 to 48 hours. Difficult traveling conditions are possible during the storm. Roads may become hazardous to near impassable. Be very careful if ice is present. Slippery roads can cause dangerous automobile accidents. If you are within 5 minutes of your destination, complete your journey. Plowing crews may be having difficulty plowing the roads if the snow is heavy enough. Please stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio for further updates. Blizzard watch in effect from 10 p.m. Thursday to 12 p.m. Friday. The winter storm watch is canceled. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a blizzard watch for extremely heavy snow, which is in effect from 10 p.m. Thursday to 12 p.m. Friday. A fast-moving low-pressure system has intensified and is expected to bring blizzard conditions to western Pennsylvania. Snow accumulations of 8 to 12 inches may be expected with isolated amounts of 18 inches near the Pennsylvania Turnpike. Sustained winds of 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts of 50 to 55 miles per hour are likely during the storm. A blizzard watch means that severe winter weather conditions that can cause poor visibilities and can make traveling very dangerous. Whiteout conditions and power outages are possible. Travel conditions will be nearly impossible due to the snow accumulating at a rapid rate. Please stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio for further updates. Winter storm warning in effect from 7 a.m. Friday to 1 a.m. Saturday. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a winter storm warning for heavy snow and freezing rain, which is in effect from 7 a.m. Friday until 1 a.m. Saturday. Locations: Northwest Pennsylvania, the West Virginia Panhandle, and Southeast Ohio. Hazards: heavy snow and freezing rain. Winds: sustained winds of 15 to 20 miles per hour with gusts of up to 40 miles per hour. Snow accumulations: 4 to 6 inches. Freezing rain accumulation: 1/10 of an inch. Timing: snow will reach the area Friday afternoon and will gradually intensify Friday evening. Impacts: heavy snow will make travel very dangerous through the course of the storm. Heavy snow and gusty winds will result in scattered power outages and downed trees. Blowing snow will cause locally reduced visibility, making travel more dangerous than it is. Temperatures: in the teens and 20s Friday night into Saturday morning. Temperatures will be in the mid-20s to low 30s Saturday afternoon. Temperatures will be in the teens Sunday morning. A winter storm warning means that severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Significant amounts of snow expected in the forecast that will make travel dangerous. Only travel in an emergency. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case if you're stranded or in another medical emergency. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio for more information. Blizzard warning in effect until 8 p.m. Sunday. The winter storm warning is canceled. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a blizzard warning, which is in effect until 8 p.m. Sunday. The winter storm warning has been canceled. Snow showers will continue to increase and intensify across western Pennsylvania tonight into Monday morning. The snow will combine with extremely strong northwest winds to produce blowing and drifting snow. Snow accumulations will vary greatly due to the wind, but widespread 6 to 8 inches are likely tonight into Monday morning with isolated amounts of 8 to 12 inches possible. Winds, sustained winds of 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts of 50 to 60 miles per hour at times. Isolated gusts of up to 70 miles per hour are expected near the Ohio River. These winds will produce widespread downed trees and power outages. In addition, strong winds and cold temperatures will produce wind chill values of -10 to -20 degrees. A blizzard warning means that severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibilities are likely. This will cause whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. Do not travel. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit just in case if you are stranded. If you become stranded, stay with your vehicle and use it as a shelter. Many deaths occur in blizzards when people leave their vehicles trying to seek help. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio for further updates. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency. A state of emergency is in effect for the entire state of Pennsylvania. A massive blizzard has struck the state, causing whiteout conditions, many power outages, downed trees, frostbite and/or hypothermia cases, and even a few deaths. All residents should remain at home until the winter storm fully passes. Massive wind damage has been reported in many areas of the state, along with local snow accumulations of 18 to 24 inches. All residents in the state of Pennsylvania should take shelter immediately. Make sure your shelter has food, water, and heating supplies. Ensure your shelter will not be destroyed by strong winds. Stay tuned to local media outlets for further information. Civil danger warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency. The blizzard that has struck the state of Pennsylvania has caused damage to the Beaver Valley Power Station in Beaver County. There is a strong possibility that radioactive materials have been released into the atmosphere, but that cannot be confirmed at this time. Stay tuned to local media outlets for further information on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency. A radiological advisory has been issued for residents within a 10-mile radius of the Beaver Valley Power Station due to a partial meltdown of reactor number 1. Damage at the plant has been reported due to a massive blizzard that has struck the state of Pennsylvania. Should an evacuation order be issued, you are advised to evacuate to a safer location if you hear an explosion. Put on an approved gas mask to protect yourself from radioactive fallout. Stay tuned to local media outlets for further information on this situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Pennsylvania Emergency Management. An immediate evacuation has been issued for residents within a 50-mile radius of the Beaver Valley Power Station due to a total meltdown of reactor number 1. A massive blizzard has caused damage to the plant, which could potentially be dangerous to nearby residents. Because of the possible threat of explosions and the release of radioactive materials in the air, all residents within a 50-mile radius of Beaver Valley Power Station are advised to evacuate immediately. Those living in northwest Pennsylvania will be affected. If you hear an air raid siren in your area, you are in the risk area and you need to leave for your safety. Remember to turn off all electricity and gas. Turn off all heating and air conditioning systems. Lock all windows and doors. And gather all of the people in your home. Do not attempt to pick up any relatives at schools, hospitals, or nursing homes. These facilities have their own evacuation procedures. When you evacuate, tie a white towel to a visible location of your house such as a mailbox. This will tell emergency managers that you are aware of the situation. Do not use the towel if you need assistance. Put on a gas mask rated NBC to avoid being exposed to radioactive materials. Evacuate in a calm and orderly manner. Make sure you have non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a battery-powered radio with extra batteries, and a first aid kit. Do not panic. Panicking will only make the situation worse. Repeating, an immediate evacuation order has been issued for residents within a 50-mile radius of the Beaver Valley Power Station in Beaver County. Those who have not evacuated should do so now.